We are now watching episode 10 of Attack on Titan season 4, blah blah, let's go. Okay, last episode, so they showed some flashbacks for what happened at Paradise Island and their acquirement of technology and getting to know a new character like
Yelena?
Yeah, Yelena. And now Zeke's over back at the island in present time. And there's some other politics going on.
Politics?
Yeah, politics. So it's politics, okay? But lots of it. And we get to learn the plight of the Marleyan people. When I say Marleyan people, I mean one Marleyan person. So yeah, and now we're going to get right into the episode 10.
向かって話しかけてたの？戦え、戦えって、戦え、戦えって言ってたんだよね。戦えって2回言ったってことは2回戦があるのかな？
Hanj? What are you trying to do here?
私は鏡に映る自分に話しかけたりしたことがないからさ。
She's not exactly stable herself.
朝に見えるような努力が伝わってくるし。何しに来たんですか？何って、私は確信してた。君が。ヒストリアを犠牲にすることはないって。
Did I misread that?
I honestly never believed you would have sacrificed Astoria.
Mosquitoes have returned. It's gone full circle.
A sound argument.
Episode 69.
Oh, 2 years ago.
これからよろしくお願いします。
いいや、今後もお前らとの接触がない。顔を見せたのは最大限の譲歩だ。パラディ島唯一の友好国、ヒーズル国。
Huh?
その特使。
Oh.
So when she showed up at the event, she was already working with Paradis.
No wonder.
店の民傘。
この印は死んだ母の一族から受け継いできたものです。
およそ100年以上前、アズマビト家の御親にあたる我が将軍。
Tell me they were Perry.
あなたは我々が失った一国の主の末裔。
Oh, that's convenient.
Oh, so
But they've been ruining themselves for a while. Do they need? That's confusing.
その印、なんでエレンだけに見せたの？
She's so tiny.
だって世界の王太嬉しいんだよ。私たちは生まれのことで重い荷物を背負う者同士。深さが一緒ならこんなに頼もしい人いないよ。
That's kind of cute. It's the first words we heard from her.
私どもは彼と密会し、ミカサ様への取り次ぎを条件に。
あれ、ご存知でしたか？マーレの
It's top secret, but I snuck it into the space.
未だパラディ島以外では採掘されたことがない未知の地下資源です。
How convenient.
その兵器のですが、それが事実なら、金銀財宝に等しい資源が眠っておられるのです。
私はだ。
やはり儲け話もなしにこの島に来る危険は冒せんというわけじゃな。
All they care about is
そ
money.
れで、ジーク、こちらは地ならしでこの島を守るために
The rumbling?
3つの糧。まず1つ目は地ならしの実践的活用。その力の一部を公開し、世界に破壊力を。
A test run.
A test run.
2つ目がヒーズルの介入。
I like how they print out copies.
このジークは獣の巨人を王家の血を引く者へと継承。その者は13年の任期を終えるまで。
What the fuck?
今私たちが助かるためなら、こんな解決不可能な問題を未来の子孫いいわけがない。
Interesting.
わかりました。私は獣の巨人の継承を受け入れます。地ならしがヒストリア。
壁を破壊し蹂躙された挙句、家畜みてえに子供を産まされ殺されて、残された時間の限り、あらゆる選択を模索するのが我々の取るべき最善策ではないでしょうか。
That's true. I have to see what other options are. I can't just assume.
Yeah, whatever he says is correct.
俺は潜水の巨人を食いました。どれだけ深く硬い地下に
I see.
しても無駄だってことです。ハンジさん、あなたに
Wow, he's pretty tall now.
教えて、他のやり方があったら
Jesus.
教えてくださいよ。
エルビン、あんたの唯一の失策だ。なんで私なんか大事にしたんだ。
Aww.
Poor her.
中に入ろう。ヒストリア。もっと体をいたわらないと。
They're actually going through with that plan?
Okay. That was out of nowhere.
いや、所詮は下船の身に過ぎない名ばかりの女王様ってことだ。
おい、女王には相手を選ぶ権利がある。息もかかっていない相手であることは同じ地で生まれた青年だ。女王に石を投げつけていたらしい。待ってほしかったようだ。何年も顔を伏せたまま下働きを務める彼に気づいたのは、
女王が妊娠してジークは命拾いしたんだぞ。
Wait, but Zeke will die though.
身をもだろうと巨人にしちまえば。
ただでさえ出産は
That's true. It's not like they have modern technology to
そ
do.
の正論で、おい、もう一本持ってこい、マネージ。止まりました。
You just
That's
called him
ironic.
Marlian? Jesus.
ニコラ、おすすめはこいつだろ。
I don't like how that.
So he poisoned them, or what's
Yeah,
going
it
to
seems
happen?
like it.
言い出さなければな。
Is that Jean and Connie?
体も得られるし、島の開発も進むって。
And oh, it's
Okay, so this is in
everyone.
the past.
確かに今ヒーズルを介して世界との対話を図るんだ。
What the hell?
These guys are carrying those 3 metal
時代に
pieces.
合わなくて済む。
お前ら、ずーっといただけにかかるよ。
He's gonna be Commander Midget. That's what Kenny was calling him.
Oh yeah.
それが国々の団結を促し、世界の安定を担保するから。
Man, wherever heard that one before.
じゃあ、俺たちは地なしに頼るしかなくて。
That's why he broke off. He didn't want to sacrifice her, right?
Mm.
だから会いに行こう。わからないものがあれば理解しに行けばいい。そこで本場のマーレ料理に舌包み。僕たちが平和を望んでいることを世界が知れば。
Man, he's hopelessly idealistic.
True.
Poor guy. He's realized that they're all gonna be.
もう少しそろそろ決めなきゃいけない。俺の巨人の継承者を。
私が引き継ぐ。
お前じゃダメだろ。アッカーマン家が何なのかまだ分かってねえんだ。
じゃあ他に誰が。
亡霊だ。まず俺はエレンよりはるかに頭がいい。立ち狂って死にそうなこともなく。
You can see Eren there. It's like not even angry. Is it?
Oh, it's Mikasa.
そんな気に入らねえな。実際俺以上の人材がいるぞ。
そんなすげえやつを13年でミスミス死なすわけにいかねえだろ。
That's true. What if it's been the next Erwin?
トニー。
よくないですよ。
Oh, and then she died though.
Oh yeah.
セレンよ。セレレンじゃけどね。
Man, that was some weird wording.
おかしいだ。
Must be her accent or something.
いや、お前は俺よりもバカなんだけど。
He's scared of like bringing this up.
え？
俺はお前らに継承させるつもりはない。お前らが大事だからだ。
No.
他の誰よりも
Oh.
長生きしてほしい。
Yeah, but it's already over for Armin. Poor guy. He's standing there like, I got 13 years. Oh, testing out the train. I just realized he was staying on the train the whole time.
そうか。
He's wearing a hat like Kenny.
Yeah, yeah. They've never seen the sunset, right?
Huh? Not, they don't really go out there often. Probably.
Yeah.
And then he snuck out.
そうせざるを得ないだろうな。
So this is in the future. Because
It
It
Satch's
seems
not there.
like it.
そして突然ジークの計画に乗った。
I mean, we're gonna tell Mikasa is so she's wearing her scarf.
Oh yeah.
お前らにはあれがエレンに見えたか。もしあいつが俺たちじゃなく腹違いの兄貴の方につくことがあ
But
る
he's not though.
あ
Is
る
he?
エレンは誰よりも私たちを思っている。みんなも分かっているはず。
I think she looks more like her book self, is from what I heard.
Oh.
That's why she's got a little more.
それは違うぞ。だがアルミンに軍港を破壊させ、お前を戦場に呼んだ。
He's scared
大
then.
事だと言った俺も。
実際、私たち
Why don't they go ask him?
何もできなかった。
It's not like
サ
he's
シャが
going.
死ぬこともサシャが死んだ時エレンはどうしたと思う。笑いやがった。説明してくれよミカサ。なんでエレンは笑ったのか。エレンのことは何でもわかるんだろう。
エレンと巨人化の薬を入手した兵団には選択肢がある。信頼できる他の誰かを巨人にしてエレンの子孫を継承する選択だ。
Okay.
Someone they trust. Obviously, Levi.
He's still glaring at him. Yeah, Levi would be a good choice. Oh my
but
god, Levi
Levi's
become
monster.
a...
Levi's good at his job. They
He
shouldn't have
did
turned him
say
into a
once
Titan.
that imagine turning Levi into a Titan.
It'd be the scariest fucking thing ever. Jesus. But okay, so we learned a lot more
Or backstory.
backstory, more politics. So it turns out Paradis, the second they make a port, It's like Civ. You make a port, and then suddenly every nation can see you exist. I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
there was quite a bit of politics in the middle. So
And relationships.
was that nation Herzuru?
Yeah, he's Zuru.
Herzuru. So their descendant of the shogun is in Paradise, conveniently. Then they want to make a deal to do this so they can monopolize the resources of Paradise Island, if I'm following the plot correctly. And then now they don't want to do that. So they're going back to plan B, which is... Well, we learned that Eren sneaks off, right? To
Marley.
Yeah, to the Marleyan nation.
Excuse me.
So what's Eren's motivation? I find it hard to believe that he's suddenly working with Zeke.
I wonder if he
what's Zeke's
has
motivation?
like what's everyone's motivation?
He wiped out literally most of the scouts in like the last season, and now he's working with them. I'm still finding this.
So that's why I
this
think
180
that
really weird.
I think that both of them have another motive underneath.
Yeah, there's another.
All that.
There's an agenda here.
Yeah.
Agenda within an agenda within an agenda. That could be White House people.
That was a sad scene though. The way Connie asked Mikasa,
Yeah,
why
would he laugh? But of course, he's probably been so detached and deranged by it that I laugh maniacally.
Some people react differently to.
Some people just laugh.
Yeah, some people laugh hysterically.
Yeah, hysteria. Sometimes hits people. Hysteria. And we know that Historia is now pregnant out of nowhere. Like, what the hell? Where did that come from?
I'm sure there'll be a backstory on that.
Yeah, but
I'd like to meet the guy.
That was just so random. Oh, Queen's pregnant, by the way. Where did that come from? Okay, sure. And it seems like some of the generals in Paradise regard her as a figurehead. They don't take her seriously. Did you notice? Like, she's just a figurehead queen. We don't, like whatever. They don't regard her as strong or herself. And that other guard commander didn't seem very happy with them about that. Since he actually guards I think that guy was in charge of Royal Guards.
Oh.
Or maybe not. What was his name? God damn it.
You don't mean Pixis, right?
No, not Pixis.
The one with the hair?
The one with the hair and the one that participated in arresting all the generals in season 3. What was his name?
Ah, shoot.
We can find it in a second if we Google it. But yeah, so there's clearly some politics going on.
Some hidden agendas that you mentioned.
Yeah, so Zeke's supposed to die in this year, right, in the present time, because they said 3 years left in the last episode, and it's been 3 years.
So Zeke wants something to happen before he goes away, obviously.
I'm gonna die. I'm taking you all with me.
Oh, he's gonna steal
That'd be the
everyone's
ultimate dick
titans.
move. Oh, we haven't seen Falco and Gabby. I wonder what happened to them.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
they're probably still there.
If they're
Gabby's
around-
still there. Eren.
They're in a jail cell next to Eren.
Oh yeah, that's right. I was actually waiting for a moment like Gabby or Falco starts speaking up.
Oh, what if they... Here's my plot twist. What if they turn Gabby into a Titan and have her eat Eren?
I feel like they are heading that direction because she acts so much like Eren. She wants revenge, and they even have the same hair color.
But it's a little built up too quickly, so maybe I'm getting ahead of myself here. I'm looking at shadows where they're not supposed to be.
Maybe Zeke is doing all that so that Gab, although
No, that makes no sense.
He didn't want those kids to be there, so.
Well, allegedly.
Allegedly, yeah. Miscalculations.
We don't know what his agenda is.
How does this benefit him? Eldio will be free.
Yeah, that's what he aims to do. But
I didn't know he was so concerned. Yeah, I thought
after all that
he
time,
betrayed Eren's father.
Maybe he regrets it. I don't know. We haven't seen Eren or Zeke talk face to face since that season 3. There might be a scene for that in the future episodes. So yeah.
The only sign is that he told Eren in season 3 that he wanted to save him.
Yeah. Well, he is his family. Maybe he found a way to get around the 13-year limit. I don't know.
Oh, that'll be so interesting. Or like to ditch the Titan power.
Just ditch it. Just take it out of your body. It's that easy.
Just suck it all out.
How did they make Titan serum? Like, it comes out of a factory in Marley. But like, how do they
go there?
Like, who even made that? Jesus.
I wonder how the experiments went.
Can you imagine? Oh, this guy is dead, so take his blood so I can turn the next guy into a Oh my god.
I kind of miss seeing the classic Titans that we've been seeing in the previous 3 seasons.
Yeah. But this isn't really about Titans. This is about the politics in the world that the author has written.
I know.
Drawn. It's war and peace, but everyone
is so intended on going to war.
Yeah. I guess that is all we have for this discussion.
That was a good episode.
Yeah.
Another
it was
good
an excellent
one.
episode. I look forward to more. So we'll see you guys for next week's episode 11. And yeah, thank you for watching our reactions and take care.